Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to sharing new job information with you. SEBI Recruitment 2022 for Assistant Manager. BTech candidates are eligible. Freshers can apply for this post. It's a permanent job. Salary around 1,40,000. All the relevant details like selection process, eligibility criteria, age limit, all are discussing in this video. So watch the video till the end. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel also.
Securities and Exchange Board of India has published recruitment notifications for the post of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager for the Information Technology stream. Number of posts 24. Application starting date 14 July 2022 and last date 31st July 2022. It comes under central government jobs. Selection process through online examination phase 1 and 2. After that, interview. Job location across India. Official website is given. Then comes vacancy details for grade A officers information technology stream 16 vacancies, and for grade A officer information technology stream backlog vacancies 8 and total 24 posts. Then comes educational qualifications. Candidates who possess bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline or bachelor's degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification minimum 2 year duration in computer application or information technology from a recognized university are eligible to apply for SEBI jobs 2022. Then comes age limit. A candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as of June 30, 2022. That is, candidates must have been born on or after July 1, 1992. And upper age limit is up to maximum of 5 years for candidates belonging to SC or ST. And upper age limit is up to a maximum of 3 years for candidates belonging to OBC. Then comes salary details. Salary comes 44,500 to 89,150. Next comes selection process. Mode of selection shall be a 3-stage process. That is phase 1, that is online screening examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each. Then phase 2, it's also online examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each, and phase 3 interview. Next comes application fee details. For unreserved OBC and EWS category candidates, application fee 1000, and for SCST PWBD 100 rupees is to be paid. Next comes important dates. Online application and payment of fee online 14 July 2022 to 31st July 2022, and phase 1 and phase 2 online examination August 27, 2022, and phase 2 examination September 24, and interview and that date not be finalized. Securities and Exchange Board of India has published recruitment notification for the post of officer grade A. Here it shows the important dates for online starting date and ending date, and phase 1 examination date, phase 2 examination date, and all. Then next comes vacancy details. Category wise vacancies detail is given and corresponding qualification required is also given here. Next comes mode of selection. Then phase 1 online examination. Paper 1 consists of multiple choice questions on the subjects general awareness, including some questions related to financial sector of easy to moderate difficulty level. Then English language, quantitative aptitude and test of reasoning 100 marks of 60 minutes duration, cut off 30%. And for multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream, then that's also 100 marks, 40 minutes duration and cut off 40%. And one more thing, there shall be negative marking of 1/4 of marks assigned to the question for paper 1 and paper 2 in phase 1. Paper 1 phase 2 examination. Paper 1 English descriptive test of phase 2 shall be held on date is given, examination date, and paper 1 subject English 60 minutes cut-off weightage all are given. Then for paper 2 information technologies coding test 100 marks question duration cut-off. Successful candidates recruited for the post of officer grade A shall undergo probation of 2 years. Salary 44,500. What all benefits all given: accommodation, posting, then examination centers, application fee details, general instructions. How to apply is also given here. Official website link is also given here. Application registration, payment of fee, uploading of photograph, uploading of signature, left thumb impression and handwriting declaration. Photograph image, passport size, color photo size 4.5 by 3.5 centimeter, dimensions in pixel 200 by 230, size 20 KB to 50 KB. Then next comes signature. Applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink pen, 140 by 60 pixel and size 10 KB to 20 KB for signature and 20 KB to 50 KB for left thumb impression, and for handwriting declaration size 50 KB to 100 KB. Handwriting declaration in capital letters shall not be accepted. Then next comes scanning the documents. Size. Detailed syllabus for paper 2 phase 1 is given here. Topics wise syllabus, corresponding weightage all are given. Syllabus for paper 2 phase 2 also, corresponding weightage. Then so candidates, those who are interested, can apply for this post before the last date after reading these instructions carefully.
Hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.